Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got yet another volunteer rolling out of the shop today, and this time it's set up on a trailer package. Guys, me personally, this setup right here is the way to go. It's so nice. Hook up to it, take off with it. The way we build our trailers, they're still pretty small, so they don't take up a lot of room. We use independent torsion axles in the back, so that way, that's how we get such a narrow trailer. We move the axle far back, so it still rides really nice going down the road. Just an all-around great setup. You got a lot of storage space back here for wood, etc., whatever you need. But let's check out the Volunteer here. So guys, he did add our rib rack in here. So that's basically just a removable rack we set in here. Gives you basically double room here for ribs. So it works great for ribs or chicken wings. But that's one thing that really sets our Volunteer apart is the size of it. So it is a really large smoke chamber, 52 inches wide, 27 inches deep. So we did a cook on this bad boy, fit 11 briskets in it. So it really cooks well. It does have a built-in water pan shelf back here. So that way you don't have to set your water pan on your grate. You can set it back here out of the way. You've got two TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers in there. And guys, our Volunteers are also on a little bit shorter lead time. Even on the trailer, you can still get this set up in about 16 to 20 weeks. So he did add the stainless steel front shelf up here. Really nice option there, looks sharp. Come around the firebox here. It is a 3/8 thick firebox, so you got a 1/4 inch thick main chamber, 3/8 firebox. Holds heat really well, gonna last a lifetime. And come around here, you got your butcher block rear shelf. That is standard on the Volunteer trailer package. Also, a spare tire. That's also standard, guys. You do not want to go down the road, have a flat, and not have a spare with you, so we throw that on there. Pretty bad little setup here, guys. Like I said, doesn't take up a lot of room, but you still got a lot of cook room on this unit. So guys, that is this Volunteer going to man David in South Carolina. He's about to haul back home. So guys, that's it. You know the deal. If you need a custom pit belt, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.